Hello, myself Dr. Anita Deshmukh, Assistant Professor, Sri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani, Maharashtra. Today, I conducting seminar on human rights and Indian Constitution. Human rights and Indian Constitution. First of all, we're discussing the introduction. India is the largest democracy of the world. Main objective is to protect the rights of the people. The Constitution of India recognizes these rights. The philosophy and the objectives ensured in preamble, including the protection of dignity. India is a secular nation having different religions. Hinduism shows the spirit of a human rights on the concept of dharma, righteousness, and on human duty. Jainism follow the principle of non-violence. Respect the human rights is always laid emphasis on human duty. Concept of human right. So we know that we all are the human beings and certain rights which was guaranteed to us by the nature itself. The basic right and the freedom to which all the human beings are entitled, fundamental, natural and inalienable rights which are essential for human existence, indispensable for the attainment of the individual's wholesome personality, the rights relating to life, liberty, equality, dignity of the individuals. There are certain characteristics of a human right. The human rights are inalienable in nature. It is essential and necessary for the human existence. It concerns with the human dignity and dignified life. It is irrevocable in nature. Nobody shall be taken away from you. It is universal, applicable to all the person as a human being. It is not an absolute one, even though it is a basic right or fundamental one, but it is not an absolute one. Certain reasonable restriction should be imposed on it. It is a dynamic in nature and necessary for the fulfillment of the purpose of the life. Preamble of the Constitution provides that the preamble of the Constitution provides justice, which is a social, economical, and political, liberty of thoughts, expression, faith, belief, and worship, equality of status and opportunity to promote among them all, fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. Fundamental right which was guaranteed to us by part 3 of our constitution under article 12 to 35, right to equality which is guaranteed under article 14 to 18. Article 14 guarantees to all the citizens and non-citizens equality before law and equal protection of the law. Article 15 provides the discrimination on the basis of religion, race, caste, sex and place of birth, but protective discrimination also permitted under Article 15 clause 3 for the women and children. Under Article 15 clause 4 for SC, ST and SCBC is also should be provided in regarding to it.